Hey, how are you? Martin Hury. I would like to show you today. I would like to show you some concepts on ways to play the blue note in blues, which is the fifth flat. Yes. So if we are playing the key of B, yeah, in this case it's a B dominant B. Yeah, in this case it's a B 13th, but could be a B 7th, B 9th. Yeah, B is the key. Yeah. So if we have the minor pentatonic scale, position 1 in the key of B. Yes. So we find the blue note in three spots here in this position, which are: first one, we start the minor pentatonic scale in the key of B. It's here, yeah, between the fourth and the fifth. Is the fifth flat. Continue with the minor pentatonic scale, and it's here. You know, it's yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, it's good if you play when you want to practice and recognize a note. It's good if you play it and you try to remember the sound. Yeah, so you train your ear, and then your ear will find the note when you need it. Yeah. And we continue with the minor pentatonic scale. But here we have two times. I told you there's a third time. One more time we can find the blue note. And it's, so first time here, second time here, and the third is here. Yeah, you can hear it. So we have, this is the blues scale, yeah, with the minor, with the blue note. Yeah, so we can play it here or here. Look. So it's the same. The difference is we have two fingerings, yeah, different fingerings to play, and sometimes it's easier to choose to pick up one of these ways. Yeah. For example, yeah. You can do it in this way, or you could do it. It's up to you. Yeah. Just, it's good if you know you have this chance and these two options to play the blue note. If we change the key, it's exactly the same shape. For example, in G, so we play the minor pentatonic scale with the blue note. Blue note. Yeah. Yeah, and I will play a few licks. I change the key again in A. So I play a few licks in the key of A. Very simple and basic licks, sorry. And you will see how it works, you know. Yeah? Blue note. A. Yeah? I use the blue note as a bridge, yeah? And to create a connection and to add that sour sound flavor to the minor pentatonic scale, yeah. again, or again. Blue note. Yes. So I will put a PDF here in the video description in YouTube with this position, with the three spots where you can find the blue note. And remember, you have five boxes or patterns or position of the minor pentatonic scale. Each one of that positions has a blue note, 1, 2, 3 times. Yeah. So thank you very much, Martin Hury.